Today, we're going to be doing something very special in our show. It's called baking cookies. You think baking cookies is just for, the stay-at-home moms, the artsy-fartsy women, but no. This can be a manly duty for you today. So we're going to be baking cookies for this event called the Youth Bake Sale. It takes place June 23rd, 2013, right after church. Right after church, we're going to have a good lunch with our church family provided by Stormfront Ministries, and then we're going to have a bake sale. We're going to auction off baked goods that people are going to bring, that they're going to donate to us so we can sell to our church family. Baked goods like Christy's brownies or whatever she's going to bring that she doesn't know she's going to bring because she just found out right now that I'm telling her she needs to bring something. Or LaRonda's awesome recipes. Or Cheryl's burnt cookies. Or something like that. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be learning how to bake goods for this event. Now, one of the things we need, or you could just buy the cookies, or you can bake them. $2.88 at Kroger, or you can bake them. Whatever. Viewers, let me show you how this is done. And voila, we have baked cookies. Let's check out how they are. Woo! Uh-oh.
Zach, were you cooking again? I gotta open up all the windows again. Ugh.